Hello everyone. Today we're gonna write a function that allows the user to post requests for adding links. So we are pretty much done with this app. We still have one more video. And before we start, please don't forget to subscribe, give like and share. Let's start. Just open up your project and then go to this lib, then HTTP handler. Then here just add a new line, actually multiple lines. Add new links function. The new function we're about to write is pretty much the same as this one, the deleting function. So first it's going to be static function. Static function of type future, because as I mentioned before, we're dealing with posting requests to the server, and as you know, it takes time to get the response back from the server. So that's why we're using this future. Here we're going to give it a type of boolean, because I want to get either true for adding links successfully or false for error messages. Then just give the function a name. So I will name it add links. So async. Then we're going to use try and catch. The benefit of using try and catch, because we want to catch the error, because sometimes the app will crash if you don't catch it. So what I want is to give the user a good experience using this app. And catch E, which stands for exception. Just here return the error message, the exception. So here I'm going to define a new variable, and I will call it map var map equal map. The key is going to be string and the value is going to be dynamic. Also here I forgot something. Here we have to pass the title, so it's going to be of type string title. Then the link, also string. And here map, we will pass the key here. As you can remember from this API, the key for the title is title. Just copy it and paste it here. Equal this one, which will this one will be passed from the form we will create later. The other one is the link. Let's go to the API and check the key. Here it's link equal link, which is this one that is going to be passed from the form. Actually, we can move this try here. Then we said response, I will call this response equal await, because we have to wait until the process of this request is finished. And it's going to be post. Then I'm going to pass the root, the URL here. where is the dollar sign? Yeah, this one. Then the function name, I haven't defined it yet, so I will add it now. Add links. Just copy it and paste it here. It's going to be static const string equals. Let me first check the API. So here it's going to be add link. Now we're going to evaluate this response if we got the result back or not. So here we have to have if condition, if response dot status code equal to 100. If it equals to 100, that means we got the new link inserted successfully into the database. So we will return true. Else false, return false. So that's everything for today's tutorial. This function will post those two arguments, the title and the link, and then we'll put them into a map. As you can see here, we have the keys from the APIs, so the keys must match the keys in the APIs as I showed you here. Then we will try to send a request to the server by passing the URL root and the function name. And when we get back the response from the server with the 200, that means we successfully added a new link, and we will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. That's it. See you in the next one.